Cinnamon, the home remedy to fight diabetes. Cinnamon is a spice that is obtained from the Cinnamomum verum tree. It's a medicinal and gastronomical ingredient that, for hundreds of years, has been part of the human diet. Nowadays, it's still used to perfectly give flavor and a special aroma to food. It can also be used as the base of many home remedies to fight diabetes and other illnesses. In fact, due to its high amount of nutrients and active ingredients, it can be used as a helper to control glucose levels in the blood of patients with diabetes. Although more scientific evidence is needed to prove these effects, regular consumption could bring interesting benefits in the control of this condition. What is diabetes? Type 1 diabetes is a chronic illness that is characterized by the accumulation of excess sugar in the blood. It's a disorder that prevents the organism from utilizing glucose correctly. Glucose is a substance that is necessary to maintain proper health. However, the body doesn't process it correctly. Its buildup in the blood produces a negative impact on the entire body. There are several different types of diabetes depending on how it develops. Type 1 Type 2 Prediabetes Gestational. Also see 11 Complications of Diabetes. Causes of diabetes. Diabetes originates when the body loses its ability to use insulin, or when it's produced too little in the pancreas. Type 1 diabetes doesn't have a known exact cause. Its development is associated with chaos in the immune system and deterioration of the cells that produce insulin. Many cases of type 2 diabetes, like prediabetes, originate from resistance to insulin or low production of it. In the case of gestational diabetes, there are hormonal factors associated with the resistance to insulin cells. Risk factors. Certain factors are related to the increased risk of diabetes. The most common are family history of diabetes, being overweight, obese, or leading a sedentary lifestyle, the presence of harmful cells in the immune system, abnormal levels of cholesterol and triglycerides. Why use cinnamon to fight diabetes? This is proven in a study published in 2003. In the study, 60 patients with type 2 diabetes participated. Each one received between 1–6 grams of cinnamon in their daily diet. After 40 days of treatment and research, the glucose levels in the patients had declined between 18 and 29. Plus, the results also determined that including cinnamon in your diet can reduce the risk factors related to diabetes and cardiovascular problems. We recommend that you read 10 Initial Diabetes Symptoms You Can't Ignore. How do I use cinnamon to control diabetes? There are many types of cinnamon. However, for this particular purpose, we recommend Ceylon cinnamon, Cinnamomum zealaticum. Overall, it's important to keep an eye on your daily dose because excessive consumption of this spice can cause counterproductive effects. 3 or 4 grams of cinnamon every day are sufficient to receive its benefits. Many people prefer to eat it added to drinks and desserts. These are valid options. However, as a remedy, it's best to prepare it in a tea. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 grams, 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. Preparation: first, pour the ground cinnamon into a cup of boiling water and cover it. Let it steep for 5–10 minutes and filter out the ground cinnamon. Mode of consumption: drink the tea on an empty stomach in the morning and repeat it in the afternoon. Note: consult your doctor before trying this remedy if you are already on a treatment plan for your diabetes. Diabetes is a complex disease that doesn't have a cure. Despite this, diabetes patients can lead a normal life if they improve their daily habits. It's essential that, in addition to enjoying the benefits of cinnamon, you watch your diet. In order to not suffer complications, it's important that you eliminate processed sugar,